Welcome to our quick guide on testing your pool using AquaChek test strips. Did you know improper pool chemistry can cause skin irritation and damage equipment? AquaChek simplifies pool maintenance, ensuring fast, easy and accurate test results to save time and keep your pool in top condition. To test your pool, simply dipping the test strip in your pool for just a second. You need only dip far enough in the pool to get the test strip pads wet. Then wait 15 seconds and match the colours on the strip to the chart on the bottle to see your pool's chemical levels. Regular testing ensures a safe swimming experience. With AquaChek, maintain crystal clear water effortlessly. Try AquaChek today and experience the difference in pool care. Keep your pool perfect and inviting. For more information on AquaChek, visit our website www.aquachek.com. For better understanding of your pool, check out our pool calculators on our website or download our app, AquaChek Select. To find our products, visit your local pool and spa store or find us on Amazon.